I was influenced by my dad. Bata pa lang kasi ako na yung back ride niya. So, ever since I was exposed na dun sa motorcycles. And then, nung college lang, parang nagkaroon rin ako ng idea na why not pursue it? Why not hindi na ako yung back ride? Ako na yung magmamotor mismo.
Kapag tinignan mo ang kanyang social media accounts, talagang iisipin mong matagal nang nagmomotor si Catrice. Pero ang totoo, wala pa siyang 3 taon na sumasakay sa motorsiklo.
Noong 2019, I enrolled myself in Honda. Ayun, I started training muna. I started to gain proper knowledge muna kasi hindi marunong mag-manual transmission na vehicle. So at least doon ako natuto, as in talagang for beginner talaga yung course na kinuha ko doon. And then after that, tuloy-tuloy na, my dad enrolled me naman dun sa MX Messiah with Coach Sam Tamayo. So I had training din sa off-road, sa dirt, ganyan. So ayan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin talaga yung pag-learn